Hello viewers, welcome to home cooking. I know it's been quite a while. Hope you guys are doing good. Wish you all a very happy new year. Today I'm going to show you a simple and easy spicy chicken wrap which anybody can do. So please join me. Let's start cooking. So we need chicken. Here I have a breast piece which I cut into small pieces like this. We are going to marinate the chicken first. For that I am adding ginger garlic paste, chili powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon. You can add according to your spice level. Salt. Now let's mix it nicely and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. My skillet is hot already. I'm adding in some oil to fry the chicken. I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is optional. The chicken has cooked well, so let it cool down, and then once it's cooled down, we can make the wrap. So the chicken is ready. These are our ingredients: shredded cabbage, mayonnaise, lime or lemon, red bell pepper, onions and green bell pepper, mustard. These are the store-bought wraps which I'm going to slightly heat up. This is slightly warm. Let's assemble. So with this, first I'm going to add in some mayonnaise. This is very simple and easy to make. You can use the leftover chicken also. Today I don't have any leftover chickens, that's why I made it.